This woman was extremely irritated by their neighbors playing loud music, so she went up to their house to confront them. Initially, they don't open the door, so she knocks again in frustration. Let's see what happens next.
Yeah, neighbor, dude, that's enough with the music in the backyard. Yeah, you better or I'm gonna call the police. Yeah, that is too much. I work as a nurse. I have to be at work at 7 a.m. That means I have to be awake at 5:30. Yeah, please do or I'm calling the police. I'm not doing this again with you people.